welcome to another Sarah Soul 5 video. This is a sarahhimayastudio episode. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Sarah. I'm an artist, baker, and filmmaker. So if you like to watch art reviews or just want to see how Sketchbox subscriptions are, just keep on watching. Okay, so if you don't already know, Sketchbox is a monthly subscription for art supplies. So you have a basic or premium subscription. They range supplies from like middle quality to high quality items. So if you're a beginner in terms of art or just kind of want to get your creative juices flowing, then I think the basic box would be suitable for you. It's around $25. And if you are a pro artist or just kind of want to use higher quality products, then make sure to get the premium box, which is $35. And what I love about Sketchbox is a part of their proceeds benefit art programs at the Dreaming Zebra Foundation. So please check out their website right here. So the Dreaming Zebra Foundation is a nonprofit organization that encourages children to express their creativity and individuality. So I hope that if you don't like doing art yourself, that perhaps you'll think about gifting your niece or nephew or a friend one of these sketch boxes. Okay guys, so you waited for this. Let's get into the unboxing. I hope I'm not disappointed, and let's get to it. Alright, so it comes in this box. I'll let you know over here how long it took to arrive at my house from the time that I ordered it. So let's get my knife. Oh, before I open it actually, I just want to take a look. So on the front it seems that they feature some of the artists that purchased their sketch boxes. This is art by Molly McHenry at Art Harpy. So you got that here, Art Harpy. That's cute. It says, want your art on your boxes? Use the supplies in this box and tag us with hashtag Sketchbox. So if I said a different hashtag earlier, just make sure to hashtag Sketchbox. There you go. This is how it looks. That is so cute. Okay, so let's see if I can get this open. Cute. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. So it comes like that. We got some nice tissue paper. Ooh, okay. Let me just open this, y'all, before I... Okay, this is so cute. So it does say you get a piece of art in there. So this is a nice piece of art right here. So cute. Okay, this is super cool. So they feature one of the artists that purchased their boxes. Her name is Jade Henning Cantrell. So congratulations, Jade. And on the back, it just has a little bio about her Instagram handle, and her website. So that's a pretty cool opportunity that you guys can look forward to. So I'll put that there. Next, cool, so there's another card here, and it just gives you access to one of their exclusive videos using contents from this box, so that's pretty cool. And on the back of it, it kind of just tells you what you're receiving in this box. So I'm just gonna put that aside here so I can let you know and explain what I'm looking at. Awesome, this is so cute. Okay, so this is kind of the size of my hand a little bit. It's just paper. Okay. Okay, so that's cool. So if you didn't know already, you know that there's a lot of different types of artist grade paper that are good for different things. So there's paper specific for pencil, paper specific for markers and paint and watercolor, and then there's of course mixed media paper that is good for everything. So yeah, that's just a fun fact. But let's see, this paper seems decent. It is best for marker, pen, pen and ink, and pencil. So yeah, you got one of those. It's let me see if I can give you guys more info. So this paper is bright white, semi-transparent with a smooth finish. Not only does it hold up to markers and won't bleed, it works great with graphite too. We worked with Borden and Riley on this 4x6 custom size. Sweet. So yeah, these are really fun to just throw in your bag if you're like traveling, or also if you just want to have a sketchbook in your everyday purse, which I usually do, then this would be cool to have. Okay. Next, let's see. Ooh, can never have enough pencils. So, before I open this is the Derwent Academy Sketching Pencil Set. The retail price of this is $9.39. This month is all about technical sketching. We wanted to include a solid set of sketching pencils to allow you to get your ideas onto paper quickly before adding more permanent elements with the pens included this month. This set includes 3B, 2B, B, HB, H, and 2H, a solid range that allows for light sketches or dark line work. So believe it or not, there are pencils that have better quality. They're smoother, they're creamier, as I like to say, and they blend better. So if you do get a set at the dollar store, for example, they're decent. You can make art with anything, but for specific looks that you're going for, specific styles, you might want to go for the more expensive items, but it's definitely not required. And yeah, like I said, you can make art with anything, with any quality items, so don't be discouraged, just use what you have. Okay, so it comes in this packaging here. It is pretty awesome. It's a good size too, I think, to fit in your bag. I like to find art supplies that just fit in my bag and aren't too heavy, so this is pretty good. It's in a nice small-ish case. Yeah, those are nice. If you could see. Next item that I got is this beautiful thing. So this is an exclusive Sketchbox signature art supply case, and it retails for $9.99. It says, "Say hello to your new favorite art supply case. We worked really hard to find the right producer of this incredibly convenient mini sketchbox. So the rigid lining can be pressed in at the bottom to hold the box open, making it easy to grab your supplies on the go. It's got an extended zipper that doubles as a handle with a convenient snap." So let's open that up. And inside, I'll just put that on the side, it contains the other supplies for this subscription box. So yeah, it's just like this. Like that. Pretty cute. Has a nice little handle. It says, can you guys read this? It says Sketchbox. Pretty cool. I mean, is it worth $10? I don't think so. Okay, so inside we have a couple items here. Ooh, I love a good calligraphy pen. So, I mean, this is not just used for artists or creating artworks, but you can use it for greeting cards, practicing typography, yeah, and a whole bunch of other things. This is a nice pen. It's a water-based dye ink. Let's see what it says about it. Kuretake Zig, or Kuretake Zig. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact pronunciation of that, but it is called a Kuretake Zig. It's an oblique calligraphy pen, 1.0 sepia, and it retails for $2.50. So these pens have one of the most unique fine liner tips available. It's like a micro chisel tip that allows for varied stroke width that is both precise and offers flexibility. Cool. So that's how it is. Okay, so you get 3 colors here of the Marabou Graphics permanent markers. You have the shade Aqua Green. You have, what was it called? Rose Beige. And you have light gray. So let's see how these, so they have 2 tips. They have the fine tip and they have the, oh my gosh, they have the, okay, they have the fine tip and they have, what the, dude, this won't come off. Okay guys, so here we are towards the end of the video and I'm here to give you my honest opinion. Do I think this Sketchbox, this basic Sketchbox, was worth it? No, not really. To be honest, I can probably get similar items for a similar quality for maybe $10 to $15. Like the markers, I can get Sharpies. The calligraphy pen, it's hard to say now because at Michael's or Walmart even, you can get individual pens for cheap. Like they're probably going to be $2 to $3. And then the Sharpies, you can get Sharpies from Dollarama, to be honest. Okay, and for notebooks that are kind of a lower quality, to be honest, I can just get those at Dollarama, especially if I'm just sketching daily, you know, as I go out, as I'm doing my morning sketches. Like, I'm going to be using a lot of paper, and this sketchbook is quite thin, and I could finish this literally in an hour. So, yeah, I don't know. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my Sketchbox review and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope that you guys found this video helpful and useful. So continue watching my videos please, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be uploading new videos every week, and of course check out my new website www.sarahhimayastudio. I'm currently delivering only to Ontario residents, so if you're not in Ontario yet, that is coming soon. But other than that, have an amazing week, enjoy, and stay healthy and safe. Bye guys!